Health benefits of eggs. Ever since the 1970s, there has been a strong focus in healthcare on the role played by cholesterol in heart disease. Eggs are rich in nutrients, but they also have the highest cholesterol content of any common food. Because of this, some have recommended that we should eat only 2 to 4 eggs per week, and that individuals with type 2 diabetes or a history of heart disease should eat fewer. But new research trusted source suggests there is no link between eating lots of eggs and cholesterol imbalance or increased risk of heart problems in type 2 diabetes. The study noted that occasionally, people who eat more than 7 eggs per week have increased low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, or bad cholesterol, but this is almost always matched by a similar increase of high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, which has protective properties. The evidence suggests that eating even as many as 2 eggs every day is safe and has either neutral or slightly beneficial effects on risk factors for heart disease and type 2 diabetes. According to the CDC, eggs are one of the most nutritious and economical foods, trusted source that nature can offer us, and that the main health risk posed by them is a risk of Salmonella infection. The CDC provide guidance on how to best avoid Salmonella. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for latest health-related videos.